back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out. On his outside, or on her outside, it's Mr. Johns in the 7. Got 5 laps coming to you, all eyes on Flagman. Green flag is out. We're in the juice box division. That way. Turn 1, a little bit of a problem. We all got it straightened out. Looked like the legends and legends there last week. Them guys just cut through the infield. I still don't know what they were doing. They've been doing this for years. Come around a complete lap. Number 1, Mills out front. John's right there in the 2nd spot trying to reel her in. We're road course racing down here in the infield. There you go. There we go. We got them going in the right direction now. Lap number 2 in the books. Mills still leading the way. John's right there in the 2nd spot trying to reel her in. She's got about a 5-car length lead on her as they go down the back straightaway, completing lap number 2. Still 3 laps left to go in this one. John's looking for extra speed down the back straightaway. He's beating on that thing. Two laps to go this time for Miss Mills as she tries to bring her Minnie Mouse helmet around for her first feature win. White flag out one more time around for Gracie Mills. John's trying to reel her in, but the sands have ran out of the hourglass. He's got one.